Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to cancel your subscription in Zoho Books. If you are switching plans, moving to another platform, or closing your business, it is important to follow the right steps to avoid any unexpected charges. Let's begin. In Zoho Books, we go to Settings, or you can access your subscription through My Phone. Here, you can view your subscription, but it's easier to use the settings. Click Settings, and under Organization, click Manage Subscription. If there is an active subscription, for example, on the standard plan, you will see an option to cancel the subscription. If you have subscribed, the Cancel Subscription button will be visible here. Since this account does not have a subscription, the option does not appear. But if a subscription exists, it will show up here. Click Cancel Subscription and follow the verification steps to make sure your subscription is canceled. That's how we can cancel a Zoho Books subscription. Before you finish canceling, remember to download and back up your important financial data for future use.